Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI influencer, change their clothes and poses using free tools. If you've been wanting to create eye-catching AI content or grow your faceless brand, then this tutorial is just for you. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep me going. First, head over to Leonardo AI and sign up for an account if you don't have one. I'll go ahead and sign into mine. Once you log in, you should see a homepage that looks like this. Now scroll down a little and click on Photography. You'll be presented with a variety of AI models. Go through the options and select the one you like. I'll go with this one. As you hover your mouse over any image you like, you'll see a remix button. Click on it and it will redirect you to a new page where we'll create our image. Leonardo AI will automatically generate a prompt based on the model we selected. Now click on Generate to create our AI influencer's image. In just a few seconds, Leonardo AI will generate 4 images for you. Pick the one you like and download it by clicking the Download button at the top of the image. Now that we have our AI influencer, next I'll show you how to change her clothes and pose. To do that, go to ChatGPT and upload the AI influencer image. Give it this prompt and hit Enter. ChatGPT will now process the image and generate a detailed prompt for us. Copy that new prompt, head back to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Leonardo will now generate a version of her wearing the hot dress in the confident pose, just like this. If the generated image looks good to you, you can keep it. But sometimes the face might not perfectly match the original AI influencer. If that happens, don't worry. Click on the second link pinned in the comment section. It will direct you to a Telegram bot that does face swaps for free. Click Start to begin. First, upload the image of the AI influencer in the hot dress and pose, then hit Send. The bot has a lot of features, but for this video, we're using only the face swap option, so click on that. The bot will now ask you to upload the second image, which is the original AI influencer image. After uploading it, click Send, and in a few seconds, the bot will gently swap the face, giving you a perfect final result. And that's it. You've now created a unique AI influencer, changed her clothes and pose all for free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tutorials like this. Check the pinned comment for all the links used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.